Okay, so here is our question related to this module. You need to open 17.5 drawing which is available with the sample file downloads, and in that drawing you will find lots of different circles which are placed on different layers and they have different radii. Now you need to make a selection set using the quick select tool in such a way that the selection set includes all of the circles of radius greater than 0.8 units. So here we have the drawing and it has got lots of these circles which are placed on different layer, and the radii of these circles are completely different. Now to start making the selection set, I'll go to this utilities panel and select this quick selection tool. So that will start this quick select window. Here we need to select entire drawing because we want to make selection from this complete drawing. Also here the object type is selected as circle because circle is the only object type available in it. So I'll select circle, and now we need to select radius. So from this property list, select radius. Now we need to ensure that the radius should be greater than 0.8. So I'll select greater than operator and in the value type 0.8 and simply click on OK. And there we have it. All of the circles with radius higher than 0.8 value are now selected. And that includes almost all of these circles. Apart from these small and tiny circles, everything has been included in the selection set as per our question.